Hey everybody! You're not expecting me to pop on here on Saturday morning, but I got some new stuff in, and I got a new color in the new pressed powder foundation. So I don't know that I've really talked too much about these pressed powder foundations. The look of them are totally different. The original has mineral touch, and this one just has a little flourish on the top. And see, they're totally different looking. But what these are for in-between colors. Like if you're not chiffon, I mean if you are like velour and then I have taffeta, then this color Poplin would be like a fill-in between color between those pressed powders. Good morning, Dana, how are you? And this one here I got is called Jaggered. So it's a new color for me, and it's kind of below chiffon. And sometimes I mix chiffon and I mix chiffon and I mix taffeta together. You've seen me do that many times. But today I want to try just the Jaggered and see if the Jaggered is going to be the color of the two that I normally mix together, okay? In other words, I don't have to maybe not create my own color. I can choose one of these in-between colors. So I haven't talked about these that much. So I just want you to know that these are available if you are somebody who likes a pressed powder foundation. It is full coverage. I've already done my under eyes here. Good morning, everybody. And this right here is the color Jaggered. Now, I have Poplin. Now, Poplin would be in between taffeta and chiffon, and I have used it. And I have paired this color with taffeta also. So I've kind of mixed the two, because this was kind of in between. It's a little bit lighter than taffeta, so if velour is too light for you, maybe Poplin would be your color, and maybe taffeta is too dark for you, maybe Poplin would be your color. So that's kind of what I wanted to pop on here and tell you, is that we have in between colors, and I haven't really talked about it that much before. All right, so if I think this might be a little too dark for me, I chose Jaggered, and I chose Jaggered because it is kind of close to chiffon. Here's chiffon. Now chiffon's got a lot of redness to it. It's got more of a pink, you know, kind of hue to it than this color that I'm about to put on, Jaggered. So Jaggered is pretty close to the color, so, but it's a little more neutral, and it doesn't have much red. You see what I'm talking about? This one has more red. This is the original, and this is Jaggered, and Jaggered's going to have a little bit more neutral, warm color. So I'm going to try Jaggered. And we're going to see what it's going to look like. And now you can apply it with this little wonderful little foamy thing they give you. Foamy pad, as I guess is what you call it. I like to use my powder puff brush for this. It's so easy, it's so fast, and if you're on a Saturday morning like me, I got to have my mama at the hairdresser by 10. So I got to get on it, people. And I'm running behind because I had to help Mark. We had to replace the faucet in the sink, so I had to stop and help him too. So I've been a plumber this morning also. Not as much as Mark though. Mark, I did get a pillow for his back. Does that count? He laid on it. I was worried about his back, and he was like, "Don't be silly. I'm all fine. I'm fine. I'm fine." Okay, so let's see how this color looks on me. Now, yes, I do have a little bit of self tanner on, so this could be my color for maybe summertime. I just wanted to see what it looked like, so I purchased it, and I am going to run it down my neck now. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Ooh, it's looking pretty darn good right now. Now, I do have on velour under my eyes. I do. I brighten that area up. Now, I've never used Jaggered, so I love how these things, you can't see it, but when you open these up, it has the word Younique right here, and it's got the flourish on the top. Of course, that's going to disappear. Don't expect that to stay, because you're going to love it, and you're going to use it, right? And your face is going to love you. Let me turn my mirror up. So I haven't done my eyes or anything. I'm going to finish my eyes, and I'll post a little pic of my Saturday look here in a little bit. And you can tell me whether you think Jaggered is my color or not. Okay? I think right now I am liking it. Now remember, these are full coverage. Oh, it's looking kind of pretty. Hey, I think I've stumbled onto something here. So these are the in-between colors. This is what you need to be thinking about. If you love the pressed powders, the originals, you're going to love these too, because they're in-between colors. And the only reason I thought of this is because when I was on Younique's site yesterday, they sent me a questionnaire, and they were asking me what I thought about the in-between colors. Like, what do I think about the difference between these two? I don't really see any difference other than maybe there's a little bit of different consistency. But other than that, they're very nice. It goes on the same. I'm not having any problems here. I'm just basically just putting it on like I do the other. And it is giving me full coverage. You don't see that brown spot so much. So try these. If you are combination or definitely oily, you're going to love these. Now, dry skin, this would not be for you. You would need to mix some BB cream with your liquid foundation, or just stick with the BB cream because it is tinted. So I do love the color Honey. So honey is a great option for somebody with the dry skin. So I'm not leaving you dry skin girls out. I'm just trying to see if this one, it works for me. And right now, I think it does. I think the color looks really pretty. And of course, I've got to finish my face. I've got to warm it up a little bit. This is just my face with nothing else on it, people. No brows. No brows, nothing else. I do have my under eyes done, and all I'm doing is buffing this in. I do have on my primer. Wear primer. Don't forget primer. So there you go. Look. Oh, wow. It does. It has a really pretty color. Oh, I like it. And this is the color Jaggered that I have on. And I normally have been putting taffeta on. So taffeta, let me see the difference in taffeta in this. That's chiffon. Where's my taffeta? My taffeta must still be in my bag. Hang on. I usually take taffeta with me in my makeup bag. So let me grab it. Yeah, here's taffeta. So let's look at the difference between taffeta and this color. And it's going to be it's going to have some difference. One's going to be lighter than the other. See, this is taffeta and this is Jaggered. So yeah, but they're still kind of in that nude. There's no redness in it. So I don't like the red in it. Now, I do like chiffon on certain times. It depends on summer and how, and see, we're going into fall now, so I wanted to find a kind of warmer, more look for fall. So I think I like Jaggered. It looks really nice. It matches my neck. See, that's the thing you got to think about too. Your chest is the most important part for you to look to determine your color. Anything that you put on your chest, whether it's liquid or powder, and it disappears into your skin and you can't tell where it begins and ends, I mean, truly disappears, that is your color. That is your color you need. I don't care if it's Younique or if it's any other kind of makeup that you like to use, foundations. Match it to your chest. If you're in a store, I know you can't do that in Walmart, and I know you can't do that in drugstores if you're buying some kind of brand there. But if you're out and about and you just really want to test that theory, go to a counter somewhere and just test different foundations on your chest. And you'll know which one is yours, right? It will absolutely disappear into your skin. So there's my tip for you today, and I'm out of here. I've got to hurry up and get ready. So I will post a picture of the finished look when I get my brows done. Brows are important. Don't forget. Kudos is still going on. Get you some brows. I know a lot of you have purchased the Flawless 4i, and that's what we need. I look kind of bland up there, don't I? I don't have much going on the brow scene today. I am going to work on a new technique for brows. It kind of mimics microblading. I'm a little scared to try it, but I am going to try it. I got to work and I got to perfect the technique because it really is like drawing on your brows, pretty much. I watched a tutorial this morning, so I'm always trying to learn something to bring value to you, something that you can learn as well. So just remember now, we have colors in the pressed powders that are. I think I got my light too bright. I don't think I'm getting the good color here. Hang on, let me look at this. I need some more yellow in here or something. There we go. I need some warmer tone. There we go. That's better. That's much better. I didn't have the yellow in it. That's what was wrong with this thing. I moved it up a little bit higher so you wouldn't see my mirror down here because my mirror was showing. So you need to find your live on covering up bags under your eyes. Yes. I did that this morning. I love the technique that I've been using, and I can do that again. I can do that again, Denise, if I need to. I can do that. It's all dry. And see, that's the thing I love about putting on powders. They're fast, they're easy, and you can be out the door. So, all right, let me go because I got to have my mama get her hair cut at 10, and we got to leave here at 9:30, and I don't know what time it is. You know me, I'm the Chihuahua. So y'all have a great Saturday, and stay tuned. I'll post my finished look here in a little bit, okay? And then you can see exactly how it looks with the bronzer and some highlights and stuff like that on it. I'm really liking it so far. It looks very natural. It looks like it matches my skin tone perfectly. So I use Jaggered. That's what I use. We got 2 different kinds of pressed powder. Don't forget about these that are in between colors. Check them out. And there is a guideline on the website. There's pictures of girls, so if you see somebody who has kind of your complexion, you can move the little scale back and forth and you can see the before and you can see the afters of the colors. So try to use that too, because that was a real helpful technique for me when I picked this Jaggered out. So I think Jaggered might be my new color. It looks really nice and really natural and into my skin here. So all right guys, y'all have a great Saturday. Thanks for watching. Bye.